In this video, you will learn how to activate DoorDash Crimson Card. First, access the DoorDash app. Open the Dasher app on your mobile device. Navigate to the Earnings tab. Tap on the Earnings tab located at the bottom of the screen. Apply for the Crimson Card. If you have not yet applied, you will see an option to apply for the Crimson Card. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your application. Wait for approval. Upon approval, you will receive a virtual card immediately. Your physical card will arrive at your residence within 7 to 10 business days. Activate your virtual card. Once approved, accessing your virtual card details in the app. You can do it and add to your digital wallet, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay or Samsung Pay, for immediate use. Activate the physical card. Upon receiving your physical card, follow the instructions provided to activate it. This may be withdrawing a few dollars or making a small transaction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.